In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preload images in Framer. This is really useful if you want your website or prototype to feel smooth and polished without images popping in late or causing awkward loading moments for your visitors. We're going to do this using a ready-made preloader component from the Framer marketplace, so you don't have to build one from scratch. All you need is a Framer account and a project open where you want to add the preloader. First, open your browser and go to the Framer Marketplace. You can also find it from inside Framer by looking for the Marketplace option in the main navigation. The Marketplace is Framer's library of components, templates, and resources created by the community and the Framer team, and it's where we'll find a preloader that fits your design. Once you're on the Framer Marketplace page, look for the section labeled Resources. Go ahead and click on Resources. This area is specifically where you can find reusable components, utilities, and small pieces of functionality that you can plug directly into your own projects. Next, use the search bar and type in the word preloader. Give it a moment to load the results. You should now see a selection of different preloader components, each with their own style and animations. These preloaders are designed to show a loading animation, while your images or content are being prepared in the background. Take a bit of time to scroll through and choose a preloader that matches the look and feel of your site. Think about your brand style. Is it minimal, playful, bold, or elegant? Pick something that feels consistent with that, because your preloader is often one of the first things visitors will see. When you've found a preloader you like, click on it to open its detail page. Here, you'll usually see a preview of the animation, a short description, and sometimes instructions or notes from the creator. Somewhere on this page, you'll see a button or link that says Copy Component. Click on Copy Component. This will copy the entire preloader component to your clipboard, ready to be used. Now switch back to your Framer project. Open the page where you want to add the preloader. It's often best to start with an empty page or a dedicated loading screen so you can position and configure it cleanly. Once you're on that page, simply paste. The preloader component you copied from the marketplace will appear on your canvas. From here, you can position it, resize it if needed, and then connect it to your page logic or navigation flows so it appears while images are loading. And that's how you